Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Musky, Pike, and Mike. In this episode, take my wheelchair out to a local area where I know there's known pike and try my luck at another weekday pike. Stay tuned, watch how it all unfolds. Coming up next, thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate everything you guys do. Keep sharing, keep liking, and we'll keep bringing you good content and some big fish along the way. So stay tuned guys, we got a good one for you. Thank you everyone for watching. You're watching Musky, Pike, and Mike.
On this episode, Mike hops in his truck to check inland water levels, and when he does, he finds himself face to face with a few hungry gators. Stick around and enjoy the episode.
All I gotta do is try. It's pretty shallow, but I know they can't resist these in the weeds. Hi, buddy.
Boom! Boom!
Pike! There's one, guys.
This is what I'm talking about.
I've never seen a fish come out of our lake.
No way!
Honestly, yeah.
I'm an angler, baby. Just out here angling.
Oh my god!
It's a good sized pike.
That's
Holy
a pike.
cow!
Yep.
Holy crap is
Whoop. Shit.
Here, I got that. Yeah, we're throwing
Yeah.
extra game here.
I was just,
No friggin' way.
yeah.
Got a pike there,
Do I
nice.
have can I take a picture of that?
Yeah.
I'm doing this because
Holy
nobody's going to
shit.
believe it. Look,
I know. Crystal
that
Lake.
is a great size
I'm never
fish.
swimming in here again.
I know, eh? Weird.
That is bizarre.
I came here to just shoot an intro for my YouTube channel.
Oh my gosh,
Holy
look at that
shit.
guy.
That's insane.
That is a
How
great
long
size.
were you like waiting for him to hook?
Usually, like, that was my third cast.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at that guy.
Are you putting him? What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna put him back, but do you mind taking a
Yeah,
picture
no,
with mine?
For sure.
Here, I'll just set it up.
Hey, that's so cool.
I know.
What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. There's
I'm
Mike.
Nice.
Two Mikes. I'm Cynthia.
I have a
River.
YouTube channel called Musky, Pike, and Mike.
Well, you got it. You
Whoops.
got the feature photo right now. River,
Yeah.
you're not going in there, bud.
All right. Cool.
That is so cool.
River,
River, I'll wait
River,
for-
we don't want a
she's like-
picture of you.
Ah,
I'll get her out of the way.
you just take as many as you
She's
can.
never seen.
Yeah,
Here,
come
come
on.
on.
There you go.
She's never
That
seen
is
fish.
good.
That is so cool.
Can you do a couple sideways?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
sorry. I know I'm not. You can tell I'm
Just
I'm,
snap like.
Here, come here. I'm
Just
showing
keep
my age
snapping
right
and-
now, right? Because I'm like teenagers know how to do this, and I don't. We know. Nice. That's awesome.
Just do one on this side.
So
Here,
sweet.
River, you're back
Here,
out of the way.
River,
Come.
come.
Hey, River.
River, here. I got treats for her. River, come. River, I know it's a fish. She's like, what is that? That's awesome.
Nice.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. you
Appreciate
did
it.
Great looking fish there.
Yeah, he's like a 25, 26 incher.
Yeah. That is awesome.
And sorry, say your Insta or your YouTube again.
Musky, Pike, and Mike.
Yep, Musky, Pike, and
Musky,
Mike.
Pike and Mike. And Mike's met his musky pike right here.
Yeah,
Awesome.
thanks, guys.
Are you good for putting it in, or do you want me to put it in?
I'm not touching that.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't want to get you slimed.
Well, we don't want you to fall in either.
Yeah, I know.
yeah. Okay.
Good sized fish.
Cool. Congrats, man. That is bizarre.
Thank you so
I've
much.
lived here for 19
Look
years.
at that.
Yeah. There he goes.
I feel bad. Yeah. Oh, yeah,
Hey.
I guess we had him out for a little while. That's
Good.
wicked.
Good. There. Way to
Thanks,
go.
Mike. Yeah.
We're just sitting there, and when you said, "Oh, there's," I saw the bend on it. So
Yeah.
oh, that's
I
a
know,
good
I
sized
can see the
fish. But
bend,
when
I
you
can
pull
just
it out,
hear
it's
the
like,
splash.
holy cow! That's
know,
like
eh?
2 feet or something.
Yeah.
I see people fish here all the time and never nibble.
Wow.
So that's impressive.
Yeah.
I'm an angler, baby.
Come on, River.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Come on, River. Let's go.
All right. What are the odds of that, guys? All I gotta do is try. A pike slime on me and no way to touch the water. Oh well. Usually when there's one, there's another nearby. I'm gonna go over there, cast a couple spots, see what happens. Pike slime, guys. Got lots of. Let's try it again. And I was just saying how luck. It's interesting how luck comes when you need it and least expect it. That one was a least expecting moment.
Boom!
There's one. I got another one, guys. Yep.
Boom!
Another pike, guys. Yeah. Fuck, they're on, man. Fuck. Pike are here, guys. Pike are here, guys. Awesome. Good sized pike. All right. Good sized pike, guys. Could have been the one I just caught, actually. Very well could have been. But nice, guys. It's 2 pike today. Good sized pike. Alright, that was cool. Now I'm really slimed. I'm slimed, guys. I can't clean my hands. Keep fishing. I can't believe that. I just came here to shoot an intro for you guys. Didn't expect the bite to be on. But that fish looked like the first fish. And unless the spinnerbait ended up on the same side of the mouth, I thought he would have had 2 holes, but so cool, guys. Like I said, where there's one, there's another one. Let's get a bigger one. Now see this line, this weed line here? There might be one in there. It's shallow, but just keep it running high, guys. Usually pike will follow it in, but they're not following it. They're crushing it as soon as they see it, guys, which is cool. Which means they're aggressive and they're on and they are hungry. By the size of this guy, it looked like he was real skinny, but looking for a meal. Last time I was here, there was a lot of bait fish. Good times. Good times and pike slime. Alright, 2 more casts and we're moving. We got a pike in each spot so far, guys. 2 spots, 2 pike. Alright, 1 more cast. Going against the wind, but still getting it out there, guys. Alright. Cool, guys. Special shout out to Don McClintock at FXR Moto and FXR Pro Fish. Thank you for everything, Don. We're back at the truck for a minute. Grab a rag. I'm gonna smell like pike slime all day, which is okay. Just gets stinky. Wicked, guys. 2 pike. I'm gonna keep this on me just so when I get another one, I can at least wipe it off while it's wet. Craig, that's sick, guys. You know, I don't even need this kit. I'm just gonna use that lure. I don't need options today. Good old Larry. One-eyed Larry, guys. One-eyed Larry. Pretty beat up, but you know what? Learn how and when to use a spinnerbait, and it'll pay you back. Okay, gotta make it happen. And there goes my line. What the f? There goes my spinner. Well, guys, that's the end of the road. That's I did bring other options, guys. This is my only other spinnerbait that I made. Hungry Kitty. We'll tie that on direct because I don't have any other leaders. We'll get her on and we'll overcome that obstacle that I lost that spinnerbait at. Hopefully there's a fish there waiting for us for our persistence and dedication. All right, let's get her tied on. Couple casts. All right, there we go. Cut the tag ends and done. All right, let's go try that spot one more time. All right, I'm back. Make this quick. All right. All right, guys. Everything's done on my checklist for the day. Now we go back home to work on baits, but first, grab a French vanilla and take the long way home. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out the next one. We always got a video on its way. No matter how long you see us stagnant for, it's because we're working on the next video, guys. So we appreciate your patience. Good selection of musky lures happening now at Bill's Bait and Tackle, getting ready for that fall bite. Guys, it's here. Fall is here. October, November, December. Big beasts are gonna be caught, guys. So make sure you get out there, but grab your lures from Bill's Bait and Tackle first. You never know what's going on at Bill's Bait and Tackle. It's always good to stop in and see what's up. Always a deal. I always say there's something for everyone in that store. And I just met Galo from Blue Collar Angling, which is pretty cool. I've been following him for the last few years. These guys smash big fish in the Detroit River and Lake St. Clair and everywhere else. But be sure to check their YouTube channel out. They're called Blue Collar Angling, and they provide awesome content, guys. So worth checking out. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking and subscribing. If you haven't hit that like button, hit it now. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do so now. That's the most important one. Okay, guys, time to get going. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm just leaving Bill's Bait and Tackle, and I ran into Galo from Blue Collar Angling. He's on YouTube as well as TikTok. Be sure to check out his content. He's always got good videos coming, and he's always working hard at that.
So if you guys want to see some insane musky or pike action, stay tuned for some musky, pike, and Mike.
All right, nice to meet you, brother.
Nice meeting you too, buddy.
All right, appreciate it. It's been a pleasure.
Take care, guys.
Check out his stuff, guys. Catch you out on the water. We'll catch you out on the video next time. All right. Stay tuned for the next one as I catch my personal best pike the day before a tournament. Watch how that unfolds as we go into next week's video. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.